Hold on. Cutting up. What up, Z Squad? Back again with another video. We got to basically take the Ford Focus out to New York State inspection. We tried to do it yesterday and it looked like we failed. We failed. Make sure it's none of my name and none of that one. It looked like we failed, yeah. So basically, we run 50 miles or drive 50 miles in my vehicle because as I was working on my vehicle, I unplugged my battery. And as you know, when you unplug your battery, it basically restarts your whole vehicle completely over. So any check engine lights or anything like that will most likely disappear. You got to drive a certain amount of miles to basically have all the real lights and flaws come back. Originally, when we bought the car, there was no check engine lights. So I know when we drive now, no check engine lights. Check engine lights should pop up, but you could never be too sure. So we're gonna try that today, and we're gonna actually drive about 50 miles today.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Still got a detail on the inside. As y'all know, it still got this little mark right here. If a different fender comes up at the junkyard, I'll definitely go grab that. For right now, that's all they had. So I had to grab that to color match the vehicle so that the vehicle wouldn't be off. But this is how the vehicle is looking right now, yeah. I wish I had it back more, but obviously it's covered up by all the trees. You see the Dodge Charger right here. Honestly, in reality though, yeah, this is the first time I went, right? And they told me that. And then I'm not gonna lie, I did a couple of miles. I didn't even go to full 50. And then I went back just thinking it would go, you feel me? It would pass. But obviously that little 11-mile difference from, where does it say, 154,391 to 154,403. I gotta add another about, I think it was about 30 something miles, 40 miles. So that's what we about to do real quick. See, y'all see the only light that's there is the tire pressure. Other than that, don't pay attention to that time. It's not even that time right now. It's almost 11 o'clock. All right, yeah, this is how we riding right now. Riding good, hitting every single gear. Cruising right now, yeah. Perfect. I don't know if I told you guys, but this model got the little moon roof. Out here, Z Squad. Still riding this little, what, 30, 40 miles out. I gotta ride this thing. This thing crazy. Eventually on the channel though, I do plan on getting a scat pack. So stay in tune for that. I'm gonna get a scat pack. Watch out. Stay in tune. I'm gonna get a scat pack.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
But yeah, we're just still taking this drive. Exit should be coming up soon so I can turn around. And then right after that, we're gonna pull up to the Monroe muffler so that they can pass me with the New York State inspection. And we're gonna go from there. So I'll catch you in a second. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds real quick to like and subscribe or comment below. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Starting now. Y'all subscribe yet? No. You getting me tight. Ford Focus getting busy out here, y'all. Here's Z Squad. Still riding, flowing. Only thing I'm looking at, it looked like the car just needed alignment. Just like the car needed alignment, which is not really too bad of a problem. I know a handy person of mine, a friend of mine, that could do it for like $20, but I'm not gonna take the shortcut. We're gonna get it done properly. it just sucks that all the tires and everything on the car is good. So it's just like basically, you know how when you go get your new tires or new brakes or whatever the case may be, you usually hit your car with a realignment. So it's just like, damn, I ain't even have to do all of that, and I still gotta hit it with a realignment. But it's cool. I get me tight talking to y'all sometimes, yo, cause y'all don't never be talking back. Y'all don't never talk back.
Appointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Alright, y'all, we just made it off the highway. We should be pulling up the Monroe Muffler in just a second. So, tell me what y'all think about this new purchase, about this flip. Tell me what y'all think about it. I know this flip probably took a little long to you guys, but it was one of my first flips, so my next flips from here on out is gonna be a little bit more faster than this. I was just trying to see the process of things. I'm about to pull in right here, right now. Alright, G-Squad, we here at Monroe Muffler. We drove about 50 miles for the total distance there and back, hopefully. So hopefully I'm hoping when we do this New York State inspection that we pass now. Buddy getting inside. See, I was confused. I'm like, is he about to run the test outside? That thing was just ripping on the highway, yeah. Doing 80, 85, 90. I ain't want to get too crazy though, because I felt like that alignment felt kind of off. So like I said, while I'm in here at Monroe Muffler, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna see about the wheel alignment as well. He said I passed. I heard him say I passed.
I just gotta put out mostly because I charge you every time you came in here. You're up to 30.
$60-something, I think. Like 20. It's like 21
the
o'clock.
first time.
Yeah, so.
And then $11 each time after.
Oh, see, I was.
Past it's 21. Yeah, like 60. 61.
Yeah.
$63.
Oh my God. But we got good news for the day. We passed inspection. We're gonna see what's going on for the rest of the day. We're looking good. We're looking good, y'all. We're looking good, G-Squad. Make sure y'all stop down in Monroe Muffalo. They do good business over here. First time I came, they had somebody else here, so it wasn't like the best experience. But then I guess the original owner who usually works here, he came in. He's been actually phenomenal. Actually been looking out for me this whole time. What I'm gonna do is, I didn't think I was gonna pass. So I'm gonna run up to my house. I can park the car right here. I'm gonna walk up to my house real quick and I'll just come right back. All right, thank you, boss. Well, y'all probably just gotta park it or just move the car when you get a chance. I'm gonna walk up the block.
You have to run it? If you're just run home, if I can run home and run back.
All right, I got you. Bro, I appreciate y'all.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
We passed New York State inspection. We passed New York State inspection. I am so hyped, y'all. Let me show you how it looked as being passed. Pass. We passed, y'all. We passed. I'm hyped. That made my day. I think I'ma honestly drop off the Dodge Charger to Dodge. And then I'm gonna have that get a little bit of work on it, because as y'all seen when I was driving it, it said my ABS light and my traction control light was on. So I'm gonna most likely drop that off, and I'm gonna probably just rock out with this for a little bit. That's how you know I got so much confidence in this vehicle, because I'm about to put my Dodge in the shop so that I could drive this Ford Focus.
I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's all right. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
So I'm gonna wind up driving this car for probably a week or something, and I'm gonna just see all the little kinks and mess ups, and as far as suspension, because we know the engine is phenomenal. So we know the engine is good. So 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna drive this. As far as the alignment I was talking about, I'm gonna wind up getting that fixed. And any other little things that I just find like cosmetically wrong. Like for example, if I go to the salvage yard or not the salvage yard, the junkyard, and I go over there and I see that they got a different fender and they don't got the little ding on the top and the color is actually matching, I'm definitely gonna go back and I'm gonna grab that. You know what I'm saying? Like little stuff like that while I have the car in the meantime for the week. I'm not too mad at how everything happened. Everything is going good. Now I just gotta make a couple more calls. I know that we're gonna be able to pass New York State. Well, not New York State. I know we're gonna pass the New York State salvage examination. I know we're gonna pass that. That's gonna be one of the easiest things to pass. Other than that, yeah, I'm just excited, y'all, because we started off this video just not passing. We passed, y'all. We passed. We passed.
Bruh, chill.
As you can see, squad, we made it back home. Got the paperwork. Pass.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Please good to drive. All right, Z Squad, that's gonna be it for this video. So you guys Ford Focus. I'm gonna make another video, probably taking it to the car wash or something like that. But I'm gonna probably save that for the salvage examination on the 26th. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't had a chance to, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I'm gonna wait for you. You did it yet? All right, thank you. And if you didn't, like it now. We out of here, Z Squad.